Welcome to Intellify. Describe double circulation of blood in human beings. Why is it necessary? Blood is a liquid tissue responsible for providing our body cells with various nutrients and chemicals required for the proper functioning of our body and for sustaining life. Human beings have a well-developed and sophisticated circulatory system for the proper circulation of blood to every part of our body. Blood is produced in our heart and is carried around to various organs of our body and then back to the heart. Broadly speaking, blood is of two types, oxygenated and deoxygenated. As the name suggests, the blood carrying oxygen along with it is called oxygenated blood, and the blood not carrying oxygen is called deoxygenated blood. To provide blood with oxygen, blood is pumped into the lungs. The lungs take in deoxygenated blood from the arteries and pour out oxygenated blood into the veins. Then, this oxygenated blood is circulated to the remaining parts of our body. The circulation of blood between the heart and lungs is known as pulmonary circulation, and the circulation of blood between the heart and the other cells of the body is known as systematic circulation. These two cycles are responsible for proper circulation of blood in our body, hence the name double circulation. The key points of these two cycles are as follows. The pulmonary cycle. In this cycle, deoxygenated blood is pumped to the right atrium. The blood is poured into the right ventricle, which further transfers it to the pulmonary artery. This artery transports the blood to the lungs, where the blood is provided with oxygen and hence gets oxygenated. The oxygenated blood is carried out of the lungs via the pulmonary veins and poured into the left atrium. This completes the first cycle of blood circulation. The systematic cycle. In this cycle, the oxygenated blood is brought to the left atrium, which pours it into the left ventricle. An artery known as the aorta is responsible for taking the blood and circulating it to the various organs, tissues and cells of the body. The aorta is further divided into arteries which are spread across the body for proper transport of blood to each and every cell of the body. When the blood is brought back from the organs, it is deoxygenated. This blood is again poured into the right atrium by a vein known as the vena cava. This completes the second cycle of blood circulation. Double circulation is pretty advantageous for the human body and is a necessity as well. This is due to the following reasons. Double circulation prevents oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from mixing together. It checks the amount of oxygen per unit volume of blood so that sufficient oxygen is provided to each and every cell of the body. Blood requires the proper amount of pressure to flow. Double circulation ensures that the heart provides the amount of pressure so the blood could flow efficiently in the arteries. This was the entire working of the double circulation process and the reasons for its requirements. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and do subscribe our channel for more such videos.